Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 76. So first, we will create the whole this sketch, which is a side view of this exercise, right? So we have a shape, and in this we will first apply extruded boss. So we have a basic shape, and after we will apply extruded cut to create this uh, cutouts, right? And with the help of the same sketch and this contour, right? And after that we will create this whole year and 1 year and 1 year, and then after we will create this cylindrical shapes. So we get the basic shape, and after that we will at the last we will create this slot, so we get our exercise completed. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this exercise. So select the right click and go to sketch. Now select the line and draw one line like that. Just draw the simple lines which are horizontal and vertical. Right, make this vertical. Now select chamfer and select this one, not chamfer but fillet, and select this one. And I think both are same. Okay, yeah, both are same. And it is 20 mm, so apply 20 mm, apply OK, and select smart dimension. This is 50, and this both are the same, so apply equal. Now this distance is 50, so apply, and this distance is around 49. Yeah, it's 49 plus 26, and this distance, which is 64, and this distance is 100. Now select circle and go in circle here. Diameter of this circle is 8, and this distance is 6, and this distance is also 6. Right. Sorry, this is 20. That is my bad. Okay, and this is also 20. Now it is okay. Now go to features and select the extrude boss, and here select the mid plane, and which is 26. Or you can do one more thing, just add in this sketch. Okay, you can edit. So let's select the line and draw one line like that. And select the line, draw line, like that. Now select the smart dimension, and this is 50, and this also 50, and this is also 50. So this distance is 49, and now comes to it, and this distance is 5, radius of this is 5, and this distance is also 5. So now select this arc and this line and make tangent, and now select smart dimension, and this also 49. Now fully constrained sketch. Right, now go to feature and select extrude boss. Here select the all contours, right, except this circle. Now here select the mid plane, and it is 52, and apply OK. Now select extrude cut and select this sketch and select this contour, and here select from sketch. Okay, yeah. But select its offset, which is 6.5. Reverse the direction, and here select offset from surface, which is 6. Here reverse the direction and apply OK. Now again select where to cut and select the sketch one, select this one, and here select offset, which is 6.5. Reverse the direction and select this surface and apply OK. Now again select where to cut and select the sketch one, select this one, and here select offset, which is 2.5, and here select this face, here just reverse the offset, and which is 6 also, so apply OK. Now again select extruded cut and select the sketch one, select this one, reverse the direction, here select offset, which is 2.5, and here select this face and apply OK. Now select their chamfer, select the chamfer. Okay, select this one, here select the second option, and here asymmetric. Just make sure the distance 2 and distance 1 is as per the dimension, right? So here distance 1 is 12 and distance 2 is 9. So apply OK, and now select again chamfer and select this one and select second option, and here distance 2 is 12 and distance 1 is 9. Apply OK. Now select fillet and here select this option, select this one, select this one, and select this one and apply OK. Now select this face and select the sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle. Diameter of this circle is 43 and distance from here is 50, and select center of this circle and this one and make vertical. Now again select the circle and draw one more circle, select smart dimension and is 52. Now go to feature and select extruded boss and select the contour, this one, these 3 contours. Here select up to next and apply OK. Now select extruded boss and here select sketch 2, right? Just reverse the direction and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select this one and select the sketch, select circle and draw one circle. Diameter of this circle is 43 and draw one more circle which is same diameter of this one, right? So diameter of this is 52. Now select features and select extrude cut. Here select this one, and this one, and up to next, apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select sketch 3 and here select up to next, apply OK. Now select this surface and go to sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle. Diameter of this circle is 8 and select this center and this origin make vertical, and distance from here is 49. Now select one more circle and draw, and diameter of this circle is 30. Now go to features and select extruded cut. Here select this circle and this one and this one, and up to next, apply OK. Now again select extruded boss and select the same sketch number 4. Select this one, reverse the direction, and here select up to next and apply OK. Now again select these circles and select this one, and here select this center rectangle and draw it like that. This is one, right, and make sure this line is out of this circle, right? So now select features and extrude cut, and you can select the up to next and apply OK. So you got this, right? So now our exercise is completed. We just apply appearance to it. Just go here and select the body, select this one, apply OK. So now our exercise has been completed. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.